Hello.
Nandito kami ngayon sa
Kiwami.
Kiwami sa BGC.
BGC High Street.
No, hindi pa high street. No?
Basta doon, papuntang High Street.
Central pa. Central.
Well, whatever.
Kasi Central Street.
Oh, yun. So,
Itong Kiwami.
this is a new segment. We're gonna do restaurant
after meal.
after meal talks. Talk reviews, mga ganyan. Like, yeah. So,
Itong Kiwami is like a food court.
food court. Multiple restaurants.
Japanese.
5 or 6, 7 ba? 7 restaurants? Ano, 6 restaurants. And an ice cream shop. 6, same time. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 sama ice cream shop.
Wala naman restaurant. Hindi, kasi Hachibe,
Yabo.
Yabo, Koyo, Hanosuke. May isa pa.
Ipudo. Wala na eh. Tapos yung ice cream.
Ice cream, Ipudo.
Basta yun. 5 or 6.
7.
Mga ganon. With the ice cream.
Ito, owned and operated by Curated Concepts Inc.
So, this is the first time we're eating here.
First time, not the
What?
first time for
The ice cream.
Oh,
It's good. But we've already tried Yabo.
oh,
Iba, hindi na kami area, so hindi na kumain nun.
ng Ipudo. We've already had Ipudo. I did not like the Ipudo that I ordered. The food that I ordered sa Ipudo ng Rockwell. I ordered
Sabi mo nga, okonomiyaki.
okonomiyaki.
So worth it. Anyway, so here we are, and we ordered 6
So we
items.
ordered 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 items.
6 items.
So, unang item sa resibo is Chasu Chahan.
I like
Sharing.
it. It's for sharing.
That's it. Oh, it's for sharing for 3 to 4.
Oo, madami na yung char. 2 to 3. Kung malakas kumain, mga dalawa lang.
435 pesos.
Yep.
Worth it or not?
It's okay, yeah. It's worth it. We'll rate it at 8.5.
Oh, ako din.
Kasi medyo mantika talaga siya eh. Hindi ako mahilig sa mantika.
Oh.
But it's okay.
Medyo
It's
too much
good.
yung mantika, pero okay lang. Sarap. Classic salmon aburi.
185. Ganito siya. Ganyan siya. Basta serve sa'yo, it's like that. For her, she didn't like it.
It's so worth it. For,
This, oo. Kasi inifortan mo na.
kasi nandito lang siya. Ikaw na magbabalat.
Oo, ikaw ang babala. Tapos, dalawang bite siya. So, medyo mahal talaga siya for that. Kasi usually sa Salmon Abori 185, you can get like 2 or 3 na eh. Na regular mo makimono or sushi for that matter. Kasi isa namin in order is unagi, which is normally mahal naman talaga. But this one, yun nga, 270 siya na isang piraso lang. So, yung price na yun, at that price range, medyo common siya.
Oo.
Common yung price for unagi ha. For unagi. Kasi mahal talaga si unagi. But for the Salmon Abori,
Sabi ko sa kanya, we can buy the unagi doon sa
So,
SNR for 270. Masarap din.
299.
Well, whatever. Masarap din naman. Ano pa, isang buntot pa.
True. Mas marami yun. So, next on the menu is the Fukuoka Bento. Ano siya?
Dalawang meat. Isang gutabara. Saka isang regular meat lang. Pero para siyang ano, parang yung isa, para siyang ground meat.
Oo, ground meat. Yan. Na ginawa
Para
siya.
siyang meatball na ginawang mahaf.
Steak, yes. Steak style.
I think
It tastes good. And
It's
it's cheap.
395.
395 with kanin na yun. And a miso soup na masarap.
Oo, masarap. Nagustuhan niyo yung miso soup?
Yes.
So, 10.
It's 11. 10.
Yung miso soup.
miso soup. Kasi ako mahilig sa miso soup eh.
Mga 8 lang.
Miso soup ko na I only eat miso soup na light. Siya gusto niyo yung talaga matapa. That's why I like this better.
And then this one is peach lychee.
Sarap. Black tea, no sugar. And it's bottomless.
Bottomless for 150. And it's, out of 10, it's 10 out of 10.
10. Yes, it's a 10. Teka, manghingi uli ako.
And then, of course, the honeycomb sundae. Hokkaido soft serve.
Sarap.
170.
It's maple.
Rating out of 10.
No. Peach. Peach lychee.
Peach lychee.
Yes. Thank you.
So, out of 10,
It's 11. Plus, yung mga servers dito, very attentive.
Yes.
Kahit na medyo malumok yung space nila. Madami naman sila. But they're very attentive. Pag ano mo, in a few seconds to a minute, nandiyan na agad eh.
Una mo, grabe ka naman.
Hindi, I mean, yung pagsasabihan ka naman kasi na babalik. Gano'n. So,
Ano sila, napapansin.
thank you.
Napapansin agad.
They're very attentive.
And sa, umiikot talaga yung mata nila. Hindi katulad sa ibang restaurant na.
Pinupuntahan namin isang liit na ano space.
So, parang iniiwasan ka na lang makita.
Oo, gano'n.
So yeah, so that is all for our rating.
And the price, total price we spent here
It's 1,606 with 10%, additional 10% service charge.
and we got it at 1.5 kasi yes, PWDI. So around 160, 170 na discount.
So yun,
Overall, this is not the most expensive meal we've,
no.
but
I will not,
we can come back with different options.
hindi kasi, diba dun sa mga options, konti.
Oo, ang dami
Dami
restaurant.
ng restaurant, but ang konti yung choices for each restaurant. So I understand na pag sobrang dami naman ng options is not really good kasi it's too much.
Thank you.
It will take too much time for the customers to pick. So medyo siguro iniwasan nila yung part na yun. But still, yung isa sa restaurant nila, hindi namin gusto.
Oo, kasi it's tempura. But if you like tempura, you could probably come here. Kasi yung tempura ang options nila. The tempura options may vegetable, may seafood, and stuff like that. But in our case, because kami may sa fried masyado. We prefer the yakitori, yung ginril, than the fried. And they also have ramen here, but we didn't try it. Nakapipo do ramen. Already had it before.
So, yun, ano options nila for the night? Lima.
Yeah, konti lang din. Hindi siya masyado. Pero basics.
Sobrang basic. Tapos, yung classic nila, yung classic style ng ramen nila, walang kasamang egg.
And she likes that. Kasi ayaw niya na. Ayaw niya ng
Kasi,
tawag.
masyadong mahal without the egg. Tapos mahal din sa with the egg.
Ipodo eh. Ipodo is mahal.
So, yeah. Ito.
So, do we recommend it? Maybe you can give it a try. Baka may magustuhan kayo dito.
Definitely recommend the ice cream.
And the ice cream, the iced tea. Yung bento is also good.
Oo.
Maybe if you like yabu. Kasi they have yabu nga.
Yabo's good. Kaya lang yung yabo nila dito. Hindi na pinapon.
Konti na yung options.
Yung sa yabo talaga.
Nare-refill yung vegetables.
Yung cabbage.
Yasay.
Yung fruit.
So, dito hindi. But then, aside from that, ambience is also good.
Yung,
Maluwag kasi siya talaga. So, it's good for like, lalo kung marami kayo. It's really good. But even for 2 people, pwede kayong upo sa counter, in front of the counter if you prefer. May ganun ding option. So, yeah. If you wanna eat Japanese, tas gusto mong marami kang options, dito ka na lang muna. Kasi madami siyang options if you think about it.
yeah.
For a person, for a single person. But for multiple restaurants in one area, medyo konti yung option. If you think about it that way.
Kung bet mo na mag-Japanese food court.
Kung Japanese food court, yeah, you'd go here. Para nga mo, Japanese lang talaga yung options na pagpipilian mo. But food court in general, dun ka na lang sa kanya. Kabila.
Rockwell?
No. Dito yung may food court dito, di ba? Sa baba.
Yun sa baba.
Around BGC, kung gusto mo sa around BGC.
Sa Bonifacio 1.
Oh yeah, right there. Doon sa may tapat ng 3D.
Malaking-
Sa ibaba ng 3D TV. But if talagang magre-recommend kami ng food court, yun na yun, yung sa Rockwell. Their food options are a lot.
Pero
Madami
medyo
talaga.
ba? Kasi it's Rockwell.
Oo, it's a posh kind of food court. Pero masasarap talaga yung food. May cheap din naman, like Meissen is there. They have a cheaper version of Meissen there. Nabusog ka na. Yeah. Sayang lang wala na yung binibilan natin ng halo-halo. No? That one's very good. Malaki. For sharing 300 ng halo-halo, imagine. But yeah, so there. So this is the start of our new segments.
Yes. After meal reviews.
After the reviews. Kasi we don't like videoing while eating. So we would just talk about what we ate. Hanggang ngayon may ice cream tayo. Pang-anim po na yata ito.
Kasi reasonable. Bottomless eh.
Bottomless side naman.
150 lang yung
And I like it. I like the taste actually kasi hindi siya matamis. So there.
ayun na. Hindi yung ating
Yun na yun. Gusto nyo bang mag-view ng area?
Hindi na ako.
Yung pictures, we'll just put it here as we mentioned somewhere there. Here? Here? As we mentioned it. Bye-bye!